Neek's friend of Stizzy? Okay, cool, whatever.
Wait, we're friends too, Vincent!
Oh, good, I guess, whatever.
Like, whatever, man.
Like, whatever. Like, you're me.
I'm pretty sure that
Reggie.
Who the fuck are you? Like that dog can talk.
What up?
He's right there.
Oh, okay. I hate it here.
Bomb plant would be awesome.
Oil. Attack twice fatigue.
Yeah, that guy was just a demon. You can't really do much about him.
Did you just mow?
Yeah, because I'm bad.
Okay. Weird flex, but alright.
I'm so back.
I'm planting the bomb.
Yoink!
Nah, he dead.
Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Don't fucking do it. No, don't do it.
No.
Why'd you sound like Donnie from the...
Bro just turned into the Tasmanian devil, man. What the hell?
But wait, what about why?
Like, why are you eating them? Like, you know how hard it is to
Hey,
dig
Trip,
up lithium
Trip,
nowadays?
Trip,
They
guess
help
what?
me. No, don't kill him.
Trip,
What?
guess what?
It's chicken butt. God damn it.
Wrong answer.
Wait. Fuck, why not?
Okay, that's a kill. Hello, the why not FPS flips page.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Tony. I'm gonna knife somebody again today.
Did you knife somebody last time? Fuck you.
Did
Fuck
you?
you.
That's only like 13 minutes ago.
Couldn't have protected shit with your
I
17
don't
HP
take
on your
it.
9
I'm
year
thinking-
fight.
You could have stuck it. I would have shot at him. The cross
Who
to get
runs
you.
through Ivy? I'm flanking!
Don't blame me because you
I'm
suck. I
blaming
got
you,
two.
dude.
Dude, I love this.
You're worse than fucking. What is he
Oh,
doing?
Damon and Trip.
Green. You're worse than Green.
Bro, I'm at the
He's
top.
on top
Yeah,
right,
he is
bro.
worse than me.
Yeah, by baiting. I don't give a fuck if he's
I'm not what, bro,
correct, top
bro.
front.
Damon, you're never allowed to call someone a baiter. We've had
Oh,
this conversation.
well, he's worse than me, dog.
No, ain't nobody worse
I'm
than you,
watching
bro.
this angle. Immediately dies because he's
Damon,
not
I'm gonna
watching
kiss you.
the angle.
Don't want to lose this game, man.
I don't want to lose my monitor either. It's a really nice monitor.
He's probably pushing you from halls here. I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah, he's probably Ivy.
He might be on A.
Could be B.
He's behind
Wait,
me.
can you check the time cards real quick? No, okay.
Circuit boards in place? Yeah, that's a wall you're walking into.
We really got to clean that up though, right there.
Fuck off,
Dude,
dude.
this place is just going to shit, man.
Yeah, they even fucking took our trains.
Alexa's working down here.
I don't trust this guy. Oh no! Oh my god!
Kill him!
No way!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Just not an insult, it's a compliment. Just remember that. I hope you have a whiteboard behind you like Damon does. Turn around, write it on it. Write it on it, write it on the whiteboard.
Grammar.
That's not grammar. Dude, you gotta go back to school.
Pronunciation.
Bro, you gotta go back to school.
I ain't going back to school, man. I did my 12. I'm out.
12?
You
I think
graduated?
Damon needs me to bring him one of my illiteracy pamphlets.
Did it out.
He's literally coming.
Love you.
Ivy.
Pop.
That's cool and all, but have you ever heard of sex? Oh!
Heard of it, but I've never had it.
Job! Why not? FPS 01! Here, Neeks as well.
Anyone?
How?
Hello?
Hello?
I took away the one thing you had!
No.
By 180R! By 10
I took
damage.
away the only thing you had.
Have fun commentating ESL.
Oh, man. No, I have to be honest.
Oh fuck. Fuck, dude.
No fucking way.
The range of where you can fuck up a turkey is like.
I've never had a homemade fucked up family turkey.
Like it can
Turkey
just be
always
dry
slaps.
or really easy. Maybe that's the problem. I don't think we.
I'm
I
not
don't
gonna
typically
say
do
that.
Dude, it's so good. And the goddamn skin.
The skin.
You sound like a fucking cannibal. You sound like a
I love
fucking
the
cannibal.
skin. The
I
skin's
like the
my
skin.
favorite
The
part.
skin's the best.
I love it.
Like this is made out of bread.
We got him in a trap, man.
We got him in a trap. That fuck was gonna get it someday. I always knew he'd miss it.